3, 2, 1.
Greenland is a part of which kingdom? The answer is C, Denmark. The likeness of which president is featured on the rare $2 bill of USA currency?
The answer is D, Thomas Jefferson.
When was Google founded? The answer is B, September 4, 1998. What was Reek when the Chef's debut solo album? The answer is A, only built 4 Cuban links. How many sides does a trapezium have? The answer is D, 4. In Splatoon, what is the age that Inklings can freely change between squid and humanoid forms? The answer is B, 14. The Los Angeles Dodgers were originally from what U.S. city? The answer is C, Brooklyn. Who won the 2011 Stanley Cup? The answer is C, Boston Bruins. Who was Firestorm's rival during the original run of UK Robot Wars? The answer is D, Panic Attack. In Sonic the Hedgehog 2 for the Sega Genesis, what do you input in the sound test screen to access the secret level select? The answer is C, the lead programmer's birthday. What programming language was used to create the game Minecraft? The answer is D, Java. What country is the second largest in the world by area? The answer is C, Canada. What was Ash Ketchum's second Pokémon? The answer is A, Caterpie. 7475 is a 1993 single from the album Ring by what American band? The answer is B, the Connells. Which of the following blood vessels carries deoxygenated blood? The answer is C, pulmonary artery. Which of these is not a city in India? The answer is C, Islamabad. Which data structure does Philo apply to? The answer is B, stack. The singing cowboy Gene Autry is credited with the first recording for all but which classic Christmas jingle? The answer is D, White Christmas. Which popular jazz standard begins with the line "Someday, when I'm awfully low"? The answer is A, The Way You Look Tonight. What organelle aids in synthesis of DNA in cells? The answer is B, ribosomes. How many time zones does Russia have? The answer is B, 11. Which of these game franchises were made by Namco? The answer is A, Tekken. Which of the following pitchers was named National League Rookie of the Year for the 2013 season? The answer is D, Jose Fernandez. In the series JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, which main character makes the greatest number of recurring appearances? The answer is C, Jotaro Kujo. Which of these is not a name of an album released by American rapper Pitbull? The answer is C, Welcome to Miami. Who painted swans reflecting elephants, sleep, and the persistence of memory? The answer is A, Salvador Dali. In The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring, which one of the following characters from the book was left out of the film? The answer is C, Tom Bombadil. Who scored the injury time-winning goal in the 1999 UEFA Champions League final between Manchester United and Bayern Munich? The answer is C, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. This movie contains the quote, "Nobody puts baby in a corner." The answer is B, Dirty Dancing. Which of the following is not a studio album by the band Pink Floyd? The answer is C, Moving Pictures. What is the name of the alien species introduced in Shadow the Hedgehog 2005? The answer is D, Black Arms. Which of the following is not a megadiverse country, one that harbors a high number of the Earth's endemic species? The answer is B, Thailand. Which one of these paintings is not by Caspar David Friedrich? The answer is A, the Black Sea. What is the name of the Queen's pet in A Bug's Life? The answer is C, a Phi. What's the most common time signature for rock songs? The answer is D, 4/4. What position does Harry Potter play in Quidditch? The answer is A, Seeker. What day did the Battle of Gettysburg begin? The answer is D, July 1, 1863. Computer manufacturer Compaq was acquired for $25 billion in 2002 by which company? The answer is B, Hewlett-Packard. Which logical fallacy means to attack the character of your opponent rather than their arguments? The answer is A. Ad hominem. When was the compact disc player first released? The answer is A. 1982. Which game in the Monster Hunter series introduced the monster gobble? The answer is A. Monster Hunter Tri. The ancient city of Chichen Itza was built by which civilization? The answer is A. Mayans. The Spitfire LF Mk Roman 9 had what engine? The answer is D. Merlin 66. What prime number comes next after 19? The answer is C. 23. Which country is singer Kyary Pamyu Pamyu from? The answer is A. Japan. What war is Call of Duty Black Ops based on? The answer is B. Cold War. What is the only state in the United States that does not have a flag in a shape with 4 edges? The answer is C. Ohio. Who directed the 2017 movie The Shape of Water? The answer is D. Guillermo del Toro. How many bits are commonly in a single byte? The answer is C. 8 bits. Released in 2001, the first edition of Apple's Mac OS X operating system version 10.0 was given what animal code name?